clawing out my chest, so deep I can feel it, breathing down my neck, whisper secrets in my ear. Snap away, nails in my chest, sheets on the floor.
And wait out the night.